guys, did you forget to pick up taco seasoning at the store today? How are you gonna make those tacos? Don't worry, I gotcha. Let's use what we have in our pantry and make taco seasoning. I'm gonna show you guys how to make taco seasoning with something you have in your house, the seasonings you already have. So we're gonna start with chili powder and cumin. Next is onion powder, garlic powder, and red pepper flakes. We have oregano and paprika. You can use smoked paprika if you want a little smoky spice. And salt and pepper. It's super simple. It's better than what you buy at the packets at the store. And just give it a good shake. You're ready to go.